Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're showing you how to torrent. Yes, that's right, how to just download stuff. This is a very basic video for people brand new to torrenting. We're going to be showing you how to do it safely, how to make sure you're safe, and stuff like that. So the first thing you're going to need is an application to torrent. I recommend Qbittorrent. You can find it at qbittorrent.org. It's free to use and there's no ads. It's also open source. It looks just like this, a nicely designed application. Next, you're going to need something to torrent. In this video, I'm going to be using this example. This is a torrent file, whatever website you're going on. You usually can copy and paste that link just like this. And that's going to be what is called your magnet link. So that's how you get a link. The link is how you start downloading stuff. Another tool you're going to need is a VPN. I recommend NordVPN. It's my fastest VPN tested right now. Also the #1 rated VPN on the channel. I've done a review which you could check out if you're interested in learning more about why it's the best one right now. But yeah, go to vpntierlist.com, check out the ratings, see which one you like. I'll put Nord in the description down below, and that's what we're going to be using in this video since it is the fastest VPN in my tests. So we have different tools set up already. We have Qbittorrent installed. This is what it looks like when it's installed. So basically what you're going to do is turn your VPN on. Pretty much with most VPNs, they're pretty easy to use nowadays. NordVPN is especially easy to use. You just download it after you buy a subscription. And then you pretty much, my link will also give a discount and a couple extra free months if you're interested. But NordVPN, this is what it looks like. You just click connect and it will connect to a server close by. Once this happens, your IP address is anonymized and no one's really going to know who you are. A thing you might want to do is when you get Qbittorrent, go to tools, options, and then from here you're going to go to advanced and you're going to want to go to the network interface. Click here and then you're going to bind it to Nord links. This is NordVPN's WireGuard tunnel. It's just a protocol it uses. So basically what this does will ensure that the torrenting will not actually work unless you're connected to NordVPN. Click apply and OK. So as long as you're connected like this, you'll be able to download. If you're not connected, you won't be able to download. So that is kind of like what is called a kill switch or a binded kill switch, which will work in Qbittorrent. So guys, we have a couple of different tools already and we're already on our way to doing it. So remember this link I said to download, just like this, whatever website you get it from. I can't recommend websites in this video just because I don't want my channel to get sued. But this video is not encouraging piracy either. I am just doing this for educational purposes. And in my test here and purposes, I am downloading an open source, freely obtained Linux ISO. So I do copy link address, go back to Qbittorrent, and see this little button up here that looks kind of like a magnet. This is called a torrent link or a magnet link. You click here, and it actually can read kind of from your clipboard. You click download, and that's pretty much all you do. Of course, right now in this example, it's kind of showing me where do I want to download it, and you could customize that with this little button. You click OK and it will start downloading. So one other cool thing you can do, guys, as you can see here, we are starting to assign get seeds and peers. Seeds are basically who's sharing the file. Peers are people who are downloading it. So if your file doesn't have many seeds, like 1 or 2, it might take forever to download. So definitely you might need to find another file. Sometimes you might have something like stalled like this. Usually what you can do here is just quit your BitTorrent application, make sure your VPN is set up correctly and so on. But for my purposes, I'm not really worried about this right now since it's just a test. But another cool tool you can use, you might notice this little thing here called ipleak.net. Now what this will show you is it will actually, it's like a test file and you can actually see it's detecting an IP196. It's a little file that you can download from this website called ipleak.net. As you can see here, we have this torrent address detection. So you add this magnet link to your torrent client and wait for the results below. So this is kind of like a way to check and see if it's working. So let's go ahead. I have like an old one here. So let's go ahead and get rid of, as you can see here, it's starting to download. So that's good. So it didn't really stall. Sometimes you just need to wait a little bit as well. So let's go ahead and remove these examples for the purposes of this video. And let's show you guys here. So what we'll do is copy this link and then we can go here, download this, download, and now it's going to get this new little Maddit link here. And then as you can see here, this is showing this IP address. This is not our IP address. So that's how you know Nord right now is anonymizing our IP address with Qbittorrent. So definitely a little cool tool you could take advantage of. Definitely very nice. As you can see here, here's the server I'm using from NordVPN to show you it works. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's the basics of torrenting from everything you'll need: the Qbittorrent application, a good VPN, a magnet link. Like I said, I can't really discuss too many websites where you can find magnet links for content, but that's really up to you. This video is not encouraging piracy. This is just piracy. This is only for privacy and educational use cases. So guys, thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you again very soon. If you want to help support this video, if you're looking for a VPN, use Nord in the description down below. You saw how easy it was to use. There's also many other benefits we could check out in the full review on why it's actually objectively better than the other VPNs out there. Not a shill. I actually back up my recommendations with pure data, as you can see here. So I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.